Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are making raspberry cream cheese brownies. These are going to be such good brownies, especially around Valentine's Day. Everybody likes chocolate cheesecake, anything chocolate around that time. I used brownie mix, just an average brownie mix, and just go by the directions, but I will have the recipe for homemade down in the description. And I've got that there, and I made my cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And I let mine chill a little bit because you want it a little bit thick, because you're going to dollop on top of your brownies. And I made homemade raspberry syrup. It's real easy. You just take a 1/2 cup of raspberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of lemon juice, and cook it on top of the stove. Take your masher and just mash the tar out of them berries and let it cook between 5 and 10 minutes. Then you're going to strain it. And then I put mine in the freezer. Really, I put mine in the freezer because it's got to be cool. And that's your homemade raspberry syrup. I don't know if they have that in the grocery store or not. You can look, but I don't know. But I just made mine. It don't take very much. So I've got my oven to 325 set. And then I've got a 13x9 pan, and I sprayed it a little bit with cooking spray. And we're going to put the brownie mix on the bottom and spread it out. There's a little prep time in this recipe, but it is so easy. It don't take anything to make syrup from fruit. You just mash it, cook it a little bit. Okay, we're going to spread it out so it'll be even. All the way to the end there. It doesn't really matter what kind of brownie mix you make. Just get you a box of it and go by the directions. Now we're going to dollop the cream cheese on top. If you've never had cream cheese brownies, you're in for a treat because they are so good. You're just going to dollop. Then we're going to take the syrup and we're going to swirl it. I've got a chopstick that I'm going to use to swirl with, but you can use a knife or whatever. You want to stay away when you start swirling away from the edge, and just take it and just make a pretty design. It can be anything. Just something pretty. Okay, I've swirled it and it's time to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. The raspberry cream cheese brownie is out of the oven. And doesn't that look good? It's got the little swirls to it. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to have to let it cool off some. And then we'll cut it and show you what it looks like. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite dessert recipe? Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. So I hope you make this for your Valentine, or heck, make it for yourself. You're sweet. So thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.